Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike. Now, today we'll be talking about the 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe, and these pictures are all credited from FCA or Jeep. And what is the 4xe? Well, the 4xe is a plug-in hybrid system. It'll start here on the Wrangler and then trickle down the other Jeep models, basically like the Renegade and the Compass will get it after this. And it started production last Friday. So very soon you'll be able to start seeing these on dealer lots. Now, why is it such a big deal? Well, it's the first plug-in hybrid from Jeep, and it has pretty impressive numbers. Now, when the JL first came out, it, had better styling cues, but it still carried over the same power plant as before, that being the 3.6-liter Pentastar engine. But they decided to add more variety. Having more options is always a good thing. They added the 2-liter turbo engine. Then they added the Eco Diesel engine. And then we all saw it, the 392, a big old Hemi V8 making 450 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. Very impressive. I made a whole video about that if you want to go check it out after this. But that's my favorite of all of them. But now they added something else, a more eco-friendly option. This is basically a 2-liter turbo engine paired to a plug-in hybrid system. And you can go 25 miles on pure electric alone if need be. And you get better fuel economy. You're going to get an estimated 50 MPG-E from a Wrangler. That's great. We all know that the Wranglers aren't the most fuel-efficient vehicles, but getting numbers like that is truly impressive. Now, styling cues. What makes it different? Well, it's a 4-door and only optional on the 4-door. I know the 4-door always gets more love compared to the 2-door model. Now, I really love the 2-door model. I hope one day we get some sort of super special trim for it or some crazy power option for it, but the 4-door sells more. But what makes it different is some styling cues here and there, some trim bits are changed up, different graphics, some different wheels. Overall, other than the graphics and some different things here and there, it's still just a Jeep Wrangler. Nothing too crazy about it. Now, it's handsome though. Front end, Wrangler's nice looking, side profile, boxy, rugged. I always love these. It's always good to see a boxy SUV on the road. The rear end, you see a little badge that says 4xe, letting you know if you don't know by the little trim pieces. Now, I think it's a good thing that they keep adding more and more power plants. Like I said, this is a very impressive engine. Basically, you're getting 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. That's very good numbers. It's basically the second most high output of the new power plants, the 392 being the king. But 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. You still have 4-wheel drive system, guys. Still a Dana 44 in the back. It's very off-road capable. Don't think just because it's a hybrid it loses anything. It doesn't. It still can do everything a normal Wrangler can do, but you're a plug-in hybrid and you can go all electric. What I'm curious about is when you actually take this off-road, if you put it in all electric, are you just going to drain that battery super quickly, or did they do a good job at mitigating that? Another good thing about this hybrid system is it's not paired to a CVT transmission. A lot of people, when they make a new hybrid or something like that, it's a CVT or some old transmission. This still has the 8-speed automatic. The ZF transmission is a great transmission, and I'm so happy they picked this. Overall, I'm impressed by this. I can't wait till it's out there and journalists can drive them around so we get more information about it and how it truly feels to drive. And I'm excited to see all the other 4xEs coming out. We know it's going to be the Renegade and the Compass, but possibly whenever they bring out that Grand Wagoneer, there might be a version of that. But anyway, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think of this new Jeep Wrangler? I personally still like the 392 better, but hey, this is pretty impressive, guys. So let me know. And please, if you haven't already, check out my channel. I keep trying to add more and more videos for you. Let me know what you guys like and what you don't like. And what do you want to see from the channel? And please, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. Once again, I thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.